Happy Halloween. Now, when I was a kid, maybe a teenager and living in Canada, one of the things we used to love to do is we were at a fair, you went up to those concession stands, you'd ask for swamp water. Now, swamp water was where you mixed every one of the soda pops they had in their dispensing machine together, all in one glass. And you'd end up with something kind of murky, disgusting, but it tasted fantastic. And this is the adult version. This is spooky, murky swamp water, perfect for Halloween. And oh yeah, that goes down nice. Enjoy that. Looks terrible, tastes great, lots of fun for Halloween. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. Now, to make spooky, murky swamp water, really easy. We just need 4 different liquids here. And basically, you can just measure by part. You can make it more, like if you want to make a big punch bowl, just increase the amount. It's fantastic to have a big punch bowl of this murky swamp water sitting there for your Halloween party. What we have here is 1 part Myers rum. That's the Myers rum, really dark rum. We have 2 parts of Midori. Midori is the melon liqueur. This originally started in Japan, but you can get this all over the place. Midori actually means green in Japanese. And then here we have 2 parts of Coca-Cola and 2 parts of orange juice. So again, 1 part dark rum, 2 parts Midori, 2 parts cola, 2 parts orange juice, and it just all goes into the glass or punch bowl or wherever. So in goes the rum, in goes the Midori. And now the colors are going to start getting worse as we add the cola. And then in goes the orange juice. And there's the murkiness. Look at that. Absolutely disgusting. You've got this disgusting, murky drink, but it's actually quite tasty. You got it. It's a weird mixture. All right. You know, it's a weird mixture, but this is the kind of thing we used to do as kids too. We would mix all these different soda pops together, and it just came out good. Same thing here. So enjoy this. Have a very happy Halloween. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get their free printable recipe for spooky, murky swamp water on our website. Also remember, you get all kinds of kitchen tech focused on ingredients, secret recipes, This is Japan, and other cool videos. You can go to the link below to go to our Patreon site. Now, mix up this drink, make a big punch bowl of it, have a fantastic Halloween, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.